Hey, what's going on YouTube? So today's the day we are going to finally launch the Demon. We had to wait until we had 500 miles on it, and we are about 10-15 miles away. So we're going to take it for a little cruise and then launch this thing and see how it goes at the launch. So here's the car. Go get ready. What the heck? I guess we are not going to launch the Demon today. It is April 15th and we have snow, a lot of snow. It was 60 degrees during the week, and now the Demon is going to be in the garage for the day. So I think instead what we're going to do is we're going to make a video of the crate. So in here we have the Demon crate that came with it, and let everybody know what is included with that. We'll unpack that in a few minutes. Unfortunately, we have, I procrastinated. The vehicle is actually going in tomorrow to get the PCM swapped out and the switch control, and waited until the last day to do this video of the Demon crate, and unfortunately now I'm going to have to pull the Demon out into the snow to make room for the review. So give us 1 minute, we'll do that and be right back. Okay, when we had this delivered, we were at least smart enough to get it put on dollies. So we can get access to it. See what's going on here. So this is the crate that Dodge gives you if you buy. It costs you $1 if you're interested in it. And the cool thing about it is it comes with a serial number with specific to your vehicle, so it's got your VIN number on it. The cool thing about it is I actually bought this vehicle from someone, a first party. I wasn't the first buyer of it, so the guy that I bought it from was smart enough. He didn't get his name put on it. Instead, he put built for 840 HP, and this is VIN number 874. So that's cool. Now I don't have to live with the crate with somebody else's name on it forever. So pretty cool. But we'll take a look inside. Got these heavy duty latches. Again, if you have a Demon, this only costs you an extra $1. Some people I've actually heard aren't even getting them. Maybe they don't want to go to the track, but it's got the cool Demon logo on the side, and it folds up like this. And look at that, inside you've got the Demon sticker, and then you've got all the goodies inside. So we'll start to unpack this thing, and let's do a review on everything inside. Alright, so let's see what we've got in the crate. So Charlie, you want to give us a review? What do we got going on here?
So right here we have the jack. Take this out quickly. The jack, race jack.
That's pretty cool.
Yeah.
So it looks like everything is branded Demon too.
Yeah.
So on the side, everything is Demon. I don't think it's got a VIN number on it, but it is all.
No, I don't believe it has a
Demon sticker
VIN
on it,
either.
So that's cool.
Put that down for now. Right here we got the front wheels. Probably don't need to take those out right now. But we need to go pick up some tires for these for when we go to the drag strip.
And that, this whole, there's a foam insert in here that all this stuff is sitting in, and this whole foam insert pops out and goes in the trunk of the Demon. So it's meant to be you know, this it's designed to fit in, and so when you're going to the track, you can actually put your tires right in here and clamp them down, which is cool.
Right here's a pressure gauge tile for the tires.
Check the tire pressure. Also Demon branded.
Yep.
Everything is Demon.
Everything is Demon branded in here.
Demon.
Oh.
What we got back there?
This torque wrench, I believe.
Yeah, I think so. I know there's supposed to be one in here.
I don't know if I'm opening this right.
Yeah. That's it. It's just enough to. Oh, there you go.
There you go. Also branded Demon.
Oh, that's cool. So we got a Demon torque wrench.
Certificate of calibration.
So that's cool. So you gotta.
Yeah.
All right. Put that down.
Looks pretty nice.
And then I think that's it for the top. But I know I can see there's some boxes and stuff underneath. So let's lift this insert out and see what's underneath. All right. This side.
Good.
Had to tip it to get it out.
Yep.
Put this over here. Away. So let's see what's in this crate.
Right here, this is what, the impact wrench?
A Demon impact wrench. Yeah, actually, I thought I heard that those were made by Snap-on. So, got an impact wrench. You'll need that. It's cordless too, which is nice. You'll need that at the track to put everything together. And then inside, they've got a bunch of boxes, Demon boxes.
All Demon branded.
And let's check it out. Let's see what's in here.
Check them out. So right here we have. Oh, if I can get this open. There it is. Right here. Take this out.
So that's the vent. So
this is the vent. The vent on the passenger side.
Yeah, so when you ordered the vehicle, they, I showed you on the front of the crate that you can actually get your name branded on the crate. Well, they also gave the owners the option of getting their name on the vent, and then you swap out this vent for the one that's in it. The nice thing about it, again, the guy that we bought this from, he got 840 HP on it instead of his name, so it says number 874, built for 840 HP. We're probably not going to swap that on anyways. I think we'll keep the one we have on there. This. But if the guy had used his name, and his name would forever be on there. And I guess the nice news now is if I ever sell it and somebody wants to swap that out, they could certainly do that. So.
Just like the front of the crate too.
Yeah.
Set this off to the side also.
All right, let's see what's next.
See what's right here.
Christmas. Demon Christmas.
Demon Christmas.
All right, I think these are
a bunch of miscellaneous.
Sure. These might be lug nuts. Why don't we put that aside? We'll open that box up in a second and see what that is. A bunch of gifts within a gift. But
these I believe should be when the PCM, if I'm correct.
Actually, that's the
this is
switch. Yeah.
This is the switch right here for the console. The only difference on this than the regular one is that this is for running the race gas.
Yeah, so once we get the PCM swapped out and they swap out this switch gear, they flash the computer, and then when you hit that button, you're able to run high octane, which is cool. So
that's what takes it from 808 horsepower to the 840.
Right. So we'll set that. We're gonna actually have to take that into the dealer tomorrow with us when we're going. So we'll keep that out.
That tomorrow. Which was over here.
What's in this box?
Let's see. Now this is the PCM right here.
So this is the brain that makes the horsepower change, and they'll take the old one out and put this one in. So this combined with the switch we looked at down there, and one more piece that I think is in that third box is what gets you to the 840 HP. So
we'll these all off to the side.
Keep that off to the side as well.
And this should be the new air filter.
I think you got it upside down.
Maybe I do.
Here, get it like this.
Oh yes. here like this.
There you go.
And here it is right here.
There's the big air filter. We'll drop that in as well. Goes in place to the one that's in there. That's the only thing in there that doesn't say Demon, I think. So
maybe it does.
Yeah.
Surprised it doesn't.
All right. What else we got in here?
Let's take a look. So this seems to be.
I think that's like a fender mat, like a protective fender mat if you're working on the car. So
yeah, good drag strip.
Good to have.
And then this is the duffel bag.
Yeah. So comes with a duffel bag too. So
it's a nice Demon right there.
I guess if you're taking gear with you to the track, or maybe just to have, it's a good thing to have.
Carrying everything else.
So now we got to pack up all this stuff, put it back. We'll keep out the stuff that we're taking to Morrow, and that's it. So that's the Demon crate. Cost you a whopping $1. So some people have not ordered them, which I think is crazy. Why you wouldn't do that? I think from a value and collectible standpoint, anybody who ever wants to resell one of these will absolutely want to make sure they have the crate.
It is very big too.
Crate with it as well. So for us, it's going to sit in the corner of the garage probably forever, and that's it. So there's the Demon. We got to get this stuff out of the way so we can get her back inside and out of the snow weather. Maybe we'll actually go do some Brodies out in the slush. So, all right. Talk to you soon, guys. Bye bye.